Do you know using the best feed or the most expensive feed does not mean you are going to get the best results? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this channel. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, feel free to smash the like button at the end of this video if you like it, and also subscribe to this channel to get notified anytime I upload newer videos. Okay, as you know, I am a fish farmer myself, and I don't rely much on what people tell me. I rather do my experiment, although some of the times I get burnt, but at least, experience is something you can never buy. It's something you have to get while doing it. By the time you do it, you will know what you did wrong, and if you're able to take into good look at what you did wrong, I believe you're going to succeed in the next leap. So, I have done it myself. In the first production, I made use of foreign feed also, and lo and behold, the fishes were actually looking healthy. But is that what I want? That's not the only thing I want. They were looking healthy, but in terms of weight and in terms of size, it has nothing to write home about. So, in the second production, I changed the feed from that foreign feed to something else, and you won't be surprised, I got results. So that shows you that if you actually made use of foreign feed for your fishes, it doesn't signify you're going to get huge or ample harvest. So I now checked what were responsible for the result I got in the first production and also in the second production, and I have come to the deduction that if you have to raise catfish up to fingers to table size or whichever size your target is, there are things you need to put in place. And the first on that list, the top of that list, is water. And according to research shows that to every one fish, you need 8 US gallons, which is equivalent to like 30 liters of water for them to thrive well. So now you do your calculation. Before you stock your fishes into your pond, have you done your calculation? You need to calculate like rough estimate of how many volume of water, how many liters of water you're going to get in your pond. So if you're able to calculate that, you will be able to determine which size or which numbers of fishes you can actually stock in your pond. That also leads me to another point that says you don't have to overstock your pond. I know you have that money, but it doesn't work out that way. If your pond has a capacity to raise to let's say maximum is 3,000 and you pour like 6,000, it's more or less like overcrowding. Your fishes will not thrive well. You will just observe that you are not getting results, yet you are using the best feed and you are using the best medication, whichever the one you're using, and yet you're still not getting results. So lo and behold, I wanted to share. I want to share this with you. For you to get results, don't overcrowd your fishes. It's better you have a few numbers of fishes in your pond and get results, rather than having huge numbers yet they are not something you can write home about. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the second point. The first point I told you, excuse me, is about water, and the second one is overcrowding. You have to avoid overcrowding. And the third one is cut down your expenses on the feed you are feeding you are giving your fishes. Yes, You don't need to use those so-called foreign feed. Of course, you know them. You don't need that. So far, you can give them enough space, enough water. And the water I'm talking about here is not that you're going to put on your generator. Maybe you are using borehole to no. Consistent water supply at least for 10 hours daily. If you're able to do that, of course, you'll come back to this video and give a testimony. So it's something I've done myself and I've seen the result. In the first production, I made use of foreign feed. I gave them water. In the second one, I didn't use foreign feed. I made use of local feeds. Yet, the result I got from that local feed surpasses that of the foreign feed. So, on that note, I want to tell you that you should not go for that brand or that name. A lot of those people, they are just banking on past glories. So I will not be mentioning names in this video because you never can tell. Probably in the nearest future they can change, and also I could be their ambassador. So I don't want to bad mouth them, but you know what I'm talking about. So ladies and gentlemen, those are the tips I want to share with you. If you want to get results in your fish farming business, take a good look at the water. To every fishes, you need 30 liters of water. And to every fishes also, you don't have to overcrowd them. And also to every fishes in the water, you can give them any feed. Any feed. Yes, I'm talking from experience now. Any feed. And also, in some of my other videos, I told you effect of having too much of protein in your fish's feed. You can go and watch it. I think okay, I'm going to be putting a link somewhere here. You can go and watch it, and also you're going to see how to calculate the volume of water in your pond. In case you don't know how to do that, you will also see that link somewhere here. So ladies and gentlemen, I think that will be all for now. So if peradventure I remember any other thing you have to put in place, I'm going to make a part 2 of this video. But with these few points, if you're able to follow what I just shared with you, I want to believe the sky is just your starting point. So to your success, to my success, let's build a wonderful community together. If you have not subscribed to this channel, of course, what are we waiting for? Subscribe. And I love you. Bye.